Let's get started. I'm excited. Again, it's a wonderful day, and you are going to learn something really important for your business. Today's training is going to be someone who is looking to scale their business. It is not for the starting because we are talking about building a website chatbot. And when you are starting your business, you don't even need a website, okay? There are people who have created really great amount of money without having website, just with one landing page, one offer. So this is the training only when you are looking to scale. So for the second step is to have website, then third step is to have chatbot. So if you are just now getting started into the business, you can tune out. It will be just for information, but you don't need to implement immediately right now. But if you are looking to scale your business big time, yeah, then this is a really, really great one. Okay. So building your website chatbot, AI customer service made easy. This week it's supposed to be all the AI training, so I wanted to cover this also because it is really important, and especially when you are looking to scale, you are going from six figures of revenue to seven digits. Yeah, this might be really great strategy. So transform your customer service experience with AI chatbots that reduce implementation cost by 60-70% through no code platforms. Deliver 24/7 support that improves response time by 85%, all without technical expertise. So, if you are meeting me for the first time, I'm Sue Pets and I'm known as a lady who gives presentations on treadmill and yeah, with even a weighted jacket because I want to show you that how you can incorporate health while building your business. You don't need to sacrifice your health. I learned it's a really hard way because I had a near to death experience and then just realized that we cannot ignore our health. And remember Steve Jobs' last write up? He clearly said that people think that I had an amazing life, but he said I had no friends, I couldn't pursue any of my hobbies, and now here I'm on sick bed. I can trade everything except the sick bed. So I don't want solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, small business owners last right up to be that way. And that's why it's my passion to help, yeah, you guys to grow your business with ease as much as possible. And that's why I started blogging to give free resources. And this is also one of these things that, yeah, just want to help solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, small business owners grow their business with ease. Yeah, let's get started. So, how to start your chatbot journey? Let's get started. And our core offer is business in a box for you. So, if you are a struggling or aspiring entrepreneur, budding solopreneur, or even small business owner, you're looking to start your digital business and you want to start fast, like 7 days to, hey, it can take up to 3 months, but hey, people have done in 7 days and want to start generating revenue on fast track. Business in box is toolkit for you. Everything is there with sales pages, email campaigns, and yeah, funnels, everything, even social media reels and faceless reels and all. So you can just get started. And if you don't have subscriber base, we have strategies like collaboration where you can create your subscriber base and you can start sharing your offer so that you don't have to invest your hard earned money into ads. And I'm not against ads, but if you are getting started, yeah, better to stay away from ads because if the ads are not properly designed, even the leads which you get, they are not that qualified. Once you have steady income coming in, you can invest part of that money into ads. So, okay, let's today's topic. Start your chatbot journey. Why chatbots are essential for modern businesses. So, today's customers expect immediate answers. Chatbots deliver round the clock service while significantly reducing operational cost, and generating new business opportunities through consistent, scalable interactions. Now you go to any website, especially the bigger companies and all, they have already implemented chatbots, and we will be talking more in detail that what are the strategies and how the chatbot can lead to actual human being. All those things we'll be discussing later, but let's see. 67% self service preference. So, customers who prefer handling issues themselves rather than speaking with representatives, because many times, yeah, there might be too many issues and limited number of representatives. So, you might have to just hold lines. Many people don't have that much of time, and they are smart enough, they can figure out with just little bit of help, and chatbots, they provide those solutions. 30% cost reduction, average decrease in customer service expenses through AI automation. That's why we talk about AI a lot, because cost reduction and increased productivity. Less than 10 minutes response time. Yeah, most of the time, not even 10, it is less than 1 minute. But we are just being conservative and we are saying less than 10-minute response time. Improved from traditional 1 to 2 hour wait times with immediate AI assistance, and 25 to 45% increase in lead generation. Yeah, this is a simple way you can, because once you, people who are coming on your website, and if their issues are getting handled, there is a more chance of higher conversion, right? You will get qualified leads that way. Choosing the right chatbot platform. There are many platforms, and these are the platforms which are widely used, which I'll be sharing. And at the end, I'll be sharing even other platform where you can get even chatbot assistance in getting started and all. So let's get started. Okay, so chatbot land bot. Coding required none. Price range 0 to $220 per month, depending on your business. Yeah, how many issues are there and how many questions to be answered. Based for visual builders and beginners. Bot press. So coding required is minimal. Again, the price range is $0 to $500, and that's why I'm telling you these are the scaling strategies. These are not someone who is just now getting started into the business. Okay, based for flexible customization. Third one, chatbot.com. Hey, that is the obvious name, right? Coding required none. Price range 50 to 400 per month, and it's really great for e-commerce integration. Fourth one is ManyChat. ManyChat, many people know for Instagram, but it is even having functionality for your website too. Coding required none. Price range 0 to 145 per month. ManyChat, they have a free option, and for someone who is just now getting started into the business, they can use ManyChat's free option, and that can serve their purpose. And as your business grows, you can upgrade the subscription. Great for social media integration. And lastly, dialog flow. Coding required moderate, and here they charge 0 to 0.002 per request. So advanced AI capabilities. So diag Diagflow is known for advanced AI capabilities. The right platform depends on your specific needs. Okay, consider your technical comfort level, budget constraints, and required integration. Many platforms offer free trials or starter plans, allowing you to test functionality before committing to a paid subscription. Even Saint Pulse is also really good one. So, but these I'm just covering mainly which are widely used by small business owners. So, what is your chatbot strategy? Map customer journey. Identify key touch points requiring support. Okay. Then identify top frequently asked questions. Focus on top 20% of questions that solve 80% of issues. Create the path when and how to transfer to human agents, because you can set your chatbot answering all the basic questions, but of course ask question means does it solve your problem? It doesn't solve problem. Do you want to talk to a live agent? And sometimes live agents may not be available, then you let them know that these are our office hours, and during these office hours live agents will be available. And before that, if you want any issues to be solved, yeah, just let us know and we'll email you. So you have all the options based on your company structure. Define success metrics, response times, resolution rate, and CSAT scores. So effective chatbot implementation begins with thorough planning. Determine which customer interactions would benefit most from automation and establish clear guideline for your bot's personality and voice to ensure consistency with your brand identity. And that's why we covered creating your custom GPT in our previous training. Step by step chatbot setup process. Create platform account. Sign up for your chosen chatbot platform, and then typically starting with a free tier to test capabilities. Select website integration. Choose the website integration option from available deployment channels like website, social media, etc. Craft welcome message. Design an engaging first impression that clearly communicates how your bot can help visitors. Build conversation flows. Use visual builders to create logical pathways for different customer inquiries and scenarios. Connect knowledge base. Link your existing frequently asked questions or knowledge base to power more intelligent AI responses. So, most platforms provide templates to accelerate your setup process. Start with basic functionality and expand as you gain confidence in the system and you gather user feedback and also as you scale your company. Again, there are pros and cons of chatbots. Some people really get irritated when they get answered by chatbots. And there will be some, yeah, percentage of people who don't like it, but majority of people really like that they got immediate attention. So you cannot satisfy everyone. Any move you take, there will be 80-20 rule, and that is there might be 90 or 10 rule, whatever it is, but 80-20 is more established. So as far as whatever action you are taking, if you are satisfying 80% of your prospective clients, I think it is a prudent strategy to implement for your business. It is just my suggestion, but it is your business, your strategy. I'm just telling my experiences, okay? And you have to take it, yeah, with a grain of salt. Designing effective conversation flows, okay? Craft concise messages. Keep initial message under 90 characters for better engagement rates. When we talk about CTAs, this is also kind of CTA. It is a call to action, even though you are sending a message, but you are directing them to take further action. And you are a giver. You want to give to lot to your prospective clients, but still you have to keep it concise because once they become part of your community, you can give them. So you don't need to put all your free resources and everything in your first message, welcome message. No, just give them clear call to action, just what to do next. Add visual elements, incorporate images and buttons to increase interaction by 40%. People do like images. Yeah, the text, just text becomes quite boring. So visual elements are really good. Optimize for mobile. Designed for small screens, as 65% of chatbot interactions happen on mobile devices. People do keep on scrolling on their mobile devices. So it's always better to optimize for your iPads and mainly your cell phones. Create escape routes. Always provide clear path to human support when needed. The most effective chatbots maintain conversational momentum while giving users clear choices. Limit each interaction to 3 to 5 responses options maximum and ensure your bot's personality remains consistent with your brand voice throughout all interactions. And its design should be so clear that the step is going from A to B to C and not again from C to coming back to A, because people really don't like that. So it's, you are just going in circle. Just give a clear path of that issue is getting solved and it is not coming back to square one. So integrating your chatbot with existing systems. CRM integration. Connect with Salesforce, HubSpot, or other customer relationship management systems to maintain context across interactions. Scheduling tools. Enable appointments, booking, and calendar management directly through chat interface. Third, e-commerce system. Process orders, provide recommendations, and track shipping status. So this is really advanced chatbot systems, okay? Live agent handoff. Create seamless transitions to human support for complex issues. A truly effective chatbot doesn't exist in isolation. By connecting your existing business systems, your chatbot becomes more than a simple FAQ tool. It transforms into a powerful extension of your entire customer experience ecosystem. Just make sure you are giving a pleasant customer service experience to your prospective buyers. So, how are you going to optimize your chatbot? First, initial testing. Run A B testing on greeting messages and initial conversation flows to identify which platforms best, often seeing 10 to 15% conversion differences. A B testing you must be doing for email marketing. Same principle over here. Performance analysis. Monitor completion rates and identify drop offs points in customer journeys to understand where users get stuck and abandon conversations, because we don't want to irritate our prospective buyers by any means. Conversation review. Regularly examine chat logs to find improvement opportunities and update responses to better match user expectations. And continuous development. Hey, it is your business. It's always becoming better and better. It's never going to be perfect, but as far as you are becoming better today than yesterday, it is a progress, it is success. Continuous improvement. Implement bi weekly training cycles based on collected data to continuously refine and enhance your chatbot's capabilities. The launch of your chatbot is just the beginning, okay? Successful implementations require ongoing monitoring and optimization. So there are many tools available. You can use those tools and check your performances. Measuring chatbot ROI and performance. ROI is so important. It is really, you need to know. So resolution matrix. Self-service resolution rate. Aim 75 to 85%. And rest, yeah, you can let it go to human agent. Average resolution time. First contact resolution percentage. Yeah, ask them whether you came here, your issue is solved, whether your issue is solved. When the first time you came, you can have various questions to find out the data and get the feedback. Customer satisfaction, CS80 scores. Net Promoter Score, that is NPS. Customer Effort Score. Then business impact, cost per conversation, support staff efficiency gains, and lead conversion rates. Finally, operational insights, peak usage patterns, most common user queries, and average conversation per user. To justify your chatbot investment, establish clear before and after metrics. Calculate cost savings by comparing traditional support and with chatbot. Just see how much you are investing and what you are gaining. Initially, it might be just foundational and implementational stage. So, but after a couple of months, you should get the real data, and you have to find out whether this investment is suitable for you or not. Future proofing your chatbot strategy. Advanced AI learning. Implement machine learning capabilities that allow your chatbot to continuously improve from interactions and deliver increasingly personalized experiences over time. Multilingual expansion. Plan for language support beyond English to reach global markets. Modern platforms offer, yeah, translation APIs that can be integrated for seamless multilingual capabilities. Compliance and privacy. Stay ahead of changing regulations like GDPR, CCPA, and industry specific requirements by establishing robust data handling and consent management processes. Lastly, voice integration. Prepare for the growing preference for voice interface by ensuring your chatbot architecture can extend to voice assistant and smart speakers. This is really advanced strategy. Right now, don't worry about all that if you're just newly getting started into that. but this is just for the sake of information. It's better to know, so whenever you are ready you can implement all these things. The chatbot landscape evolves rapidly. Schedule quarterly reviews for your chatbot strategy to incorporate emerging technologies and shifting customer expectations. Consider implementing regular knowledge base updates monthly at least, okay? To ensure your AI assistant always provides current information. Now, if you want any kind of assistance in creating your chatbot, you are invited for our daily. Actually, every weekday we have 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time AI Breakfast Lab, and every time we have a different project going on, and there will be at least 2 3 expert who will be guiding that particular project. You can interact, you can ask questions, so you will get training over there, and this is free, but it is only by invitation. I'm not opening this to everyone. It is only by invitation. If you want invitation, let me know, and I can set invitation for you, and you will get the free training. And whenever you are ready to implement, yeah, you can implement that into your business, but meanwhile at least you will get information how it works and how it can be done. So it's a 1 hour, but it is really well spent. You can ask questions, you can get those prompts for that particular project. Every time it is a different project, means it's not going to be chatbot every time, but eventually, yeah, chatbot also will be covered. So you are invited. Just get all the information and decide when your business is ready for chatbot. Get started and scale and grow with ease. And that's the whole goal and vision for my trainings, that I want solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, small business owners to grow their business with ease of collaboration, so that they live their ideal life and they can achieve their dreams. Thank you and God bless you.